Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk you through how a financial services organization could utilize Dynamics 365 to manage their funds and also manage client relationships. So as an example here, we're looking at UBS Group Worldwide, which is an account. And of course, as standard, we're presented with organization information as to who they are and their contact details. Now, any of these tiles that you see on this record can be configured in line with what your organization would need to capture against an account. So as an example, we have organization type. And in this case, they are an ultimate parent. If you had specific organization types that you would like to specify or categorize these accounts as, you can suggest those, and that's the type of thing that Dynamics 365 is capable of handling in terms of making sure the data capture is fit for purpose and relevant to your business. We've got the primary contact details. We've got classification and segmentation information. So that's relationship status, client tier, market influence. Again, all of this can be configured in line with what you would require. And importantly, as is the case with all of the core records within Dynamics 365, we've got the timeline, which is essentially a communication audit of all of the back and forth activities that have been going on with yourself and this account. So we can see the emails, we can see the appointments, we can see the phone calls, tasks, and add notes, all relevant to this specific account, so that anyone accessing this record has an up-to-date view of the most recent communication that's happened between yourselves and this account. We've also got client AUM, which is typically a very important aspect of the financial services industry in managing their clients. And in this example, we've got organization hierarchy AUM because this account specifically is a parent account. There may be some subsidiaries that are contributing to this specific number. We've got the valuation date, the rolling 12-month net flow, the year-to-date net flow, and all of this data can be used for a report or a dashboard if you wanted to view this information in more of a visual manner. Aside from the core details, we've got the ability to manage the contacts. So any of the people, a multitude of ways, but as an example, we can make the most of account plans, which gives us the ability to look at how we're going to build a relationship and maintain that relationship with the specific organization. And we can also look at any of the related opportunities which are potentially contributing to funds that we're managing for this account. So that information could be presented like this, where we're looking at 25 million that has been committed to Fund A by this account, and just over 13 million that's been committed to Fund C by this account. Now that fund data can also be viewed from the other side of the system, from the fund perspective. So here we're looking at funds A, B, C, and D, and with A specifically, we know that this is a pooled fund type. Again, the types can be configured to what you would require. We've got the first close, final close, AUM, return, and fund term to give us a total overall data capture with regard to this fund. But specifically, and more importantly, we know the opportunities that are contributing to this fund. And that's all of the opportunities from within the system. That gives us a total actual commitment of 1 opportunities or 1 deals of 55 million, and a commitment that is estimated based on open deals that are yet to be won of 28.5 million. That's a short overview of how a financial services organization could utilize Dynamics 365 to manage their relationships and funds. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please do reach out to us at Cloud9.